Hello friends, now we will start the new chapter, Determinants. In this video, I will explain all examples from exercise 6.1. But before that, what we are learning in this chapter? या chapter मध्ये आपण काय लर्न करणार आहोत? Definition of determinants, properties of determinants, applications of determinants, Cramer's rule, consistency of linear equations, area of triangle, collinearity of 3 points. Okay, now let us start. In standard 10th, we have learned to solve simultaneous equations in two variables using determinants of order 2. We will now learn more about the determinants. It is useful in engineering applications, economics, etc. The representation ABCD is defined as the determinant of order 2. Here, A, B, C, D are called elements of the determinant. In this arrangement, there are two rows and two columns. A, B, this is the first row, C, D is the second row. First column is AC and second column is BD. Okay. AB is the first row, CD is the second row. Next, AC is the first column and BD is the second column. Okay. That is, four elements are enclosed between two vertical bars arranged in two rows and two columns. The determinant ABCD is associated with expression A into D minus B into C. AD minus BC is called the value of the determinant ABCD. Note that AD minus BC is an algebraic expression in ABC and D. Okay. Now let's learn determinant of order 3. Definition: the determinant of order 3 is a square arrangement of 9 elements enclosed between two vertical bars. The elements are arranged in 3 rows and 3 columns as given below. Now see this here. A11, A12, A13, this is the first row. A21, A22, A23, this is the second row. A31, A32, A33, this is the third row. And the column, that is the A11, A21, A31, this is the first column. This is the second and this is the third column. Okay. Here A11, A12, A13 are the elements in first row. Okay. And these are in the second row. Okay. And in this way, these are all the 3 rows, and there are similarly the columns are also here. That is the A11, A21, A31 are the elements in the column first, and so on. Okay. Here Aij represent the element in ith row and jth column of the determinant. For example, A31 represent the element in third row and first column. In general, we denote determinant by capital D or capital A or delta. D is equals to, this is the determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Like 2 by 2 determinant, 3 by 3 determinant is also an algebraic expression in terms of elements of the determinant. We find that expression by expanding the determinant. Okay, now the expansion of determinant, see this here. There are 6 ways of expanding a determinant of order 3 corresponding to each of 3 rows R1, R2, R3 and 3 columns C1, C2, C3. We give here the expansion by first row of determinant capital D. Okay, here this is the determinant. By using the first row, means what? A11. मग याच्या समोरचे eliminate करणार, याच्या खालचे eliminate करणार. Then you will get here A11 in determinant A22, A23, A32, A33. Now see this here. The determinant can be expressed as follows. See this here. Capital D is equals to A11. म्हणजे याच्या खालची eliminate करणार, याच्या समोरची eliminate करणार. You will get here A22, A23, A32, A33. Next, this middle element is a minus A12. Again, eliminate the elements below this A12 and the elements in the first row. Then you will get here A21, A23, A31, A33. Okay. And the last, plus A31. Again, eliminate these elements and these. Then you will get A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay, in this way. And then evaluate it. Okay. Now here, see this one example. Expand the determinant as follows in two different ways. The first is D with the help of the first row. Okay. Substitute the values. That is a 3 into determinant 2, 1, 1 minus 2. Minus in bracket minus 2. Eliminate these and this. You will get here 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Next, plus 4. Determinant is 1, 2, 0, 1. Okay. And evaluate it. You will get the value of that determinant, that is equals to minus 7. हे तुम्ही evaluate करू शकताय. Okay. Next, using again second method, this is the A11, A22, A33. आपण ही वापरण्यापेक्षा मोस्टली ती आधीची मेथड प्रिपेअर करत असतो. ओके. Here substitute the values. Okay. And you will get the same answer, that is a minus 7. Now next, short examples. Now see this here. The first example, evaluate the following determinant. First is 3, 7, 2, 5. Now here 3 into 5, 15, minus 2 into 7, 14. 15 minus 14, you will get here 1. Next, minus 2, 12, 3, 25. Again minus 2 into 25, you will get here minus 50. 12 into 3, minus 36. Again 36 here. Minus 50 minus 36, you will get here minus 86. By default, here is a negative sign. Okay. Now next example. 3, 2, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Now evaluate this 3. Again, eliminate elements in the first row and the first column. You will get the determinant 1, 2, 2, 3. Next, minus 2. Again, eliminate these elements in the second column, and again first row you will get here 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. And the last 6, eliminate the elements in the first row and the third column. You will get here 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. And evaluate it. You will get here the answer. A normal evaluation is 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. That is a 3 minus 4. You will get here minus 1. Next, minus 2. Again, 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2 into 2, 4. That is 1 minus 3 minus 4. You will get here minus 1. And the last, 6 into 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2. You will get here 0. And hence, the final answer here is a minus 3 and plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is a minus 1. Okay. Now the next. Again here, the determinant, evaluate it. Again, 1 into eliminate elements in the first row and the first column. You will get here 1, 3, 3, 1. Next, minus 3, eliminate elements in the first row and the second column. You will get here 3, 3, 3, 1. Okay. And the last, eliminate the elements in the first row and third column. You will get here 3, 1, 3, 3. Okay. या प्रकारे तुम्ही लिहू शकताय. आणि हे नेक्स्ट इव्हॅल्युएशन सोपं येते. 1 into 1, 1, minus 9, minus 8, minus 3. Again, 3 into 1, 3, minus 9. 3 minus 9, you will get here minus 6. Next, 3 into, again, 3 into 3, 9. minus 3. 9 minus 3, you will get here 6. Okay. Next multiplication, 1 into minus 8, you will get here minus 8. Minus 3 into minus 6, that is a plus 18. 3 into 6, plus 18. Okay. And their simplification, you will get here 28. This is the value of the determinant. Okay. Now next, example 2. Find the value of x. 1 x square 1 2 4 4 6 9, that is equals to 0. Evaluate it. That is the first 1 into 2 into 9, that is 18, minus 6 into 4, 24, minus x. Next 1 into 9, you will get a 9. 4 into 4, minus 16, plus x square into 1 into 6, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, and that's equals to 0. Next simplification, that is 1 into 18 minus 24, you will get here minus 6, minus 6 into 9 minus 16, minus 7, plus x square 6 minus 8, you will get here minus 2, and that's equals to 0. And overall here minus 6 plus 7x minus 2 x square is equals to 0. And after simplification you will get here 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. The factors are 2x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 means what? 2x is equals to 3, and hence x is equals to 3 by 2. And the next, x minus 2 is equals to 0, therefore x is equals to 2. Okay, and these are the values of x. X is equals to 3 by 2 and x is equals to 2. Okay, now next, second example, 1 1 minus x minus 4 5, x minus 2 1, and that's equals to 0. Again the simplification, 1 into minus 4 into 1, you will get here minus 4, minus 2 into 5, minus 10, but by default there is a minus sign, and that minus and minus, that will become plus here. Okay, next here minus sign, again for the middle term it has by default minus sign. This is the minus 1 into, again eliminates the element in the first row, second column, you will get here x 5, x 1. Okay, x into 1, you will get here x. Next, x into 5, 5x, x minus 5x, and the last minus x. Again eliminate the element in the first row and the third column, and take this determinant x minus 4, x minus 2, x into minus 2, minus 2x, and minus 4 into x, minus 4x. Again by default there is a minus sign, and that minus minus will become plus 4x, and that's equals to 0. Okay. Next simplification, minus 4 plus 10, you will get here 6. Minus 1, x minus 5x, you will get here minus 4x. Minus x, minus 2x plus 4x, you will get here 2x, and that's equals to 0. Okay, and next simplification, x minus 1 minus 4x, you will get here 4x, minus 2x square, and that's equals to 0. Therefore here finally, if we change the sign, then you will get here 2x square minus 4x minus 6 is equals to 0. And again the factors are 2x plus 2 in first bracket, in second bracket x minus 3, that's equals to 0, and hence x is equals to minus 1 or x is equals to 3. Okay, now next, now we will start now exercise 6.1. Okay, first question, evaluate the following determinant. Easy aide 4 7 minus 7 0. Okay, here the product of 4 into 0 minus 7 into 7, then here 4 into 0 is 0. This minus minus, that will become plus. 7 into 7, you will get here 49. Okay, and overall the value of the determinant is a 49. Next, 3 minus 5 to 189 370. Now the solution here, 3 into, eliminate elements in the first row, first column, you will get here 8970. Next, minus, in bracket minus 5, And the next again, eliminate the elements in the first row, second column, you will get here 1930. Okay. And the last, plus 2. Again, eliminate the elements in the first row, third column, you will get here 1837. And evaluate this. Okay, 3 in bracket, 8 into 0 is 0, 7 into 9 minus 63. This minus and minus that will become plus. 1 into 0 is 0, 3 into 9 27 plus 2. 1 into 7 minus 3 into 8 minus 24. Okay, and the next is a 3. 0 minus 63 plus 5. 0 minus 27 plus 2. 7 minus 24, you will get here minus 17. And next evaluation, that is a minus 3 into minus 63, you will get here minus 189 plus 5 minus 27 minus 135. 2 into minus 17 minus 34, and hence the answer is a minus 358. Okay, third one, 1 I 3 I cube 2 5 3 2 I raised to 4. Now the solution, see this here. 1 I3, keep it as it is. But what about the I cube? I cube म्हणजे काय? I square into I. I square is minus 1 into I. Then you will get here minus I. Next, 2 5 as it is. 3 2 as it is. I raised to 4 means what? I square into I square. But I square is minus 1. And again, I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. You will get here plus 1. Now evaluate this determinant. Okay, see this here. The value of I cube is I square into I. I square is minus 1 into I, minus I. I raised to 4 is equals to I square and whole bracket square. But I square is a minus 1 bracket raised to 2 means what? It's a plus 1. And in this way, these are the values of I cube and I raised to 4. याच व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केलेल्या आहेत. Now evaluate this determinant, that is a 1 into, eliminate again the elements in the first row, first column, you will get here the determinant 2 5 2 1. Next again eliminate the element in the second column and the first row, minus I 5 3 1. Okay, and the last is a eliminate the element in the first row and third column, minus I 2 3 2. Okay, and you will get here 1 2 into 1 2 minus 10 minus I into 1 minus I, and 3 into 5 minus 15 plus 3 minus I into 2, you will get here minus 2I, 3 into 2 minus 6. Okay, and after simplification, 1 into minus 8 minus I, and here is a minus I minus I, that will become plus I square, minus I into minus 15, here is a 15I minus 6I minus 18. Okay, again here minus 8, I square is a minus 1, 15I minus 6I, 9I minus 18, and overall finally you will get here minus 1 and minus 8, minus 9 and minus 18, minus 27. Okay, and the next is a 9I. This is a as it is. Okay, and hence the final answer is a minus 27 plus 9I. Okay, now next, 555 544 548. Now evaluate this. Okay, 5 into, eliminate the elements in the first row, first column, 4448. Okay, next minus 5, eliminate again the first row, second column, you will get here 5458. And the last plus 5, eliminate these and these, you will get here 5454. Okay, and evaluate this. 5 into 4 into 8 32, 4 into 4 60, minus 5 5 into 8 40, minus 4 into 5 20, plus 5 into 4 20. Next 5 into 4 20 minus 20. Okay, and after simplification, 5 into 16 minus 5 into 20 plus 5 into 0, and then you will get here 80 minus 100 plus 0, and finally minus 20 is the value of this determinant. Okay, now next, 2I 3 4 minus I, it's very simple. Okay, That is a 2i into minus I. Okay, minus 4 into 3 minus 2i square minus 12, but I square is a minus 1. Minus minus will become plus. That is a plus 2 minus 12. That is, you will get here minus 10. Okay, this is the value of determinant. Okay, next 3 minus 4 5, 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. Again, this is the 3 by 3 determinant. Its value 3. Again, eliminate the element in the first row, first column. You will get the determinant 1 minus 2 3 1. Next, minus by default sign into minus 4. Again, eliminate the elements in the first row and second column. 1 minus 2 2 1. Okay, and the last, yeah, 5. This is again in the first row. Again, eliminate this element and the elements in the third column. You will get here 1 1 2 3. Okay, and evaluate this. 1 into 1 1, minus 2 into 3 minus 6, but there is a by default minus sign, minus and minus, that will become plus, and hence you get here plus 6. Okay, next this minus and minus, that will become plus. Okay, therefore here is a plus 4. Again 1 into 1 1, minus 2 into minus 2, that is a minus 4, minus and minus, that will become plus 1 plus 4. And the last 5, 1 into 3 minus 1 into 2. Okay, next is a 1 into 6 7, 7 into 3, 4 into 1 plus 4, that is a 5, plus 5 into 1. Okay, and after simplification 21 plus 20 plus 5, you will get here 46. This is the value of determinant. Now next, here see this the determinant AHG HBF GFC. पुन्हा याचमध्ये 3 by 3 चा determinant आहे. Now again A into, eliminate the elements in the first row, first column. You will get here BFFC. Next, minus H. Again, eliminate the element in the first row, second column. You will get here HFGC. Okay. Next, plus G. Eliminate the elements in the first row and third column. You will get here HBGF. Okay. And after simplification, BC minus F into F, F square, minus H, HC minus FG, plus G, HF minus BG. And the next simplification, ABC minus AF square minus CH square, minus minus will become plus FGH. Next, again FGH here minus BG square. Okay, and hence you will get here finally ABC FGH plus FGH. You will get here 2 times FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square, and this is the value of this determinant. Okay, now next, number 7, question number 7. 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C, and the last third row B C 0. Now evaluate this again. 0 into, eliminate the element in the first column, first row. You will get here 0 minus C, C 0. Again here 0 is multiplied with this determinant. Overall the value will be 0. Next, by default minus sign, A into. Again eliminate elements in the first row and the second column. That is remaining determinant is a minus A, minus C, B 0, and the last minus B. Eliminate the elements in the first row and the third column, minus A 0, B, C, and evaluate it. You will get here 0 into, in bracket 0 plus C square minus A. This will become 0, minus minus will become plus BC, minus B, minus A into C, minus AC, B into 0, that is a 0, and finally you will get here 0 minus ABC plus ABC, that is equals to 0. This is the value of the determinant. Now next question, find the value of x if, first is the determinant 2 3 4 5 equal to x3 to x5. Now evaluate this. Okay, 2 3 4 5, 2 into 5 minus 4 into 3. is equals to x into 5 minus 2x into 3. You will get a 10 minus 12 is equals to 5x minus 6x. And finally, here you will get a minus 2 is equals to minus x, and hence x is equals to 2. Now next determinant is a 2, 1, x plus 1, minus 1, 3, minus 4, 0, minus 5, 3, that's equals to 0. Okay, solve this determinant. That is a 2 into. Eliminate the elements in the first row, first column. That is a 2 into. Remaining determinant is a 3, minus 4, minus 5, 3. Next is a minus 1. Eliminate again this and this. Minus 1, minus 4, 3, 0, 3. Okay, and the last x plus 1 into. Again eliminate in the first row. And third column, you will get here minus 1, 3, 0, minus 5, and that's equals to 0. Again, this is a 2, 3 into 3, 9, minus 5, minus 4, minus 20, minus will become plus 20, but by default there is a minus sign, hence 9 minus 20. Next minus 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, and again 0 into minus 4, that will be 0, and hence it is a plus 0. Okay, next plus in bracket x plus 1, minus 1 into minus 5, you will get here plus 5, 0 into 3, you will get here 0, and that's equals to 0. Okay, 9 minus 20, you will get here minus 11, minus 11 into 2, minus 22. Next, minus 1 into minus 3, we have plus 3. Next, x plus 1 into this 5, that is a 5x plus 5, that's equals to 0. How many x are there? 5x are there. Minus 22 plus 3, you will get here minus 19. Minus 19 plus 5, minus 14, and that's equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 14 upon 5, and this is the answer. Now next, third one. The first row, x minus 1, x minus 2. Second row, 0, x minus 2, x minus 3. Third row, 0, 0, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now evaluate again. Eliminate the element in the first row, first column. You will get here this determinant. Next, eliminate the elements in the first row. Second column, you will get here 0, x minus 3, 0, x minus 3. Okay. And the last, x minus 2. Eliminate again this and this. You will get here 0, x minus 2, 0, 0. And that's equals to 0. Now here, first x minus 1, the product of x minus 2 into x minus 3. 0 into x minus 3, there you will get here 0, minus x. Next, 0 into x minus 3, 0. 0 into x minus 2, you will get here 0. Next, plus x minus 2. Next, 0. Here 0 into 0. 0 into x minus 2, that you will get here 0. And overall, the value of this determinant is a 0. Next, x minus 1, and after simplification of this, that is a x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Here you will get here 0, 0, and that's equals to 0. Now the factors are already here. Factors already आपल्याला इथे मिळाले आहेत. x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, that's equals to 0, and hence you will get here x minus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0, and hence x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, or x is equals to 3. These are the values of x. Okay. Now next, question number 3. Solve the following equations. The first is x 2, 2, 2x2, 2, 2x. Okay, that's equals to 0. Now evaluate this. X into, again eliminate the element, the first row, first column, x2, 2x. Next, minus 2. Eliminate the first element in the first row, second column, 2, 2, 2x. Next, eliminate again the elements in the first row and the third column, 2x, 2, 2, and that's equals to 0. Okay. Next, x into x, x square, 2 into 2, that is a 4. That x square minus 4. Next is a minus 2. 2 into x, you will get here 2x. 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 into x minus 2x, and that's equals to 0. Again, simplification. X into x square, you will get here x cube. x into minus 4, minus 4x, minus 2 into 2x, minus 4x, minus 2 into minus 4, plus 8, 2 into 4, 8, plus 2 into minus 2x, you will get here minus 2x, and that's equals to 0. Okay, now the next, x cube, minus 4x, minus 4x, minus 4x, minus 12x, 8 plus 8, plus 16, and that's equals to 0. Now here the LHS is 0 at x is equals to 2. यामध्ये जर x is equals to 2 आपण substitute केला, then LHS is equals to 0. Therefore, the first factor of this polynomial will be x minus 2. Okay, and now the next second factor with the help of synthetic division. x cube minus 12x plus 16 दिले त्याने आपल्याला. आता यामध्ये कसं x cubic टर्म आहे, स्क्वेअर टर्म नाही आहे. यांचे सर्वांचे कोएफिशिएंट घेणार. The coefficient of x cube is 1 here. Square term is absent there. Therefore, we take here the coefficient of x square is a 0. Next, coefficient of x is minus 12. And the last constant term is a 16. Here, x minus 2 is the first factor. Therefore, the opposite of minus 2 is a plus 2. Okay, this is the synthetic division. Keep this 1 as it is. 2 into 1, you will get a 2. 0 plus 2, you will get a 2. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 12 plus 4, minus 8. Minus 8 into 2, minus 16. Plus 16, minus 16. Finally, you will get here 0. 1, 2, minus 8. Okay. Now, next. The second polynomial. आता इथे coefficient किती आहेत? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the degree of that polynomial will be 2. That is 1x square plus 2x minus 8. Okay. Now, see this here. X cube minus 12x plus 16 is equals to, the first factor is x minus 2. Second is a x square plus 2x minus 8. Okay. And the next is a x minus 2. The factors of x square plus 2x minus 8 are, याचे फॅक्टर्स किती येतील? तर x plus 4 into x minus 2. Okay. And hence the x minus 2 bracket square here into x plus 4. Okay. And therefore, the equation 1 becomes x minus 2 bracket square into x plus 4 is equals to 0. And hence, the value of x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equals to 0, and hence x is equals to 2, or x is equals to minus 4. This is the values of x. Okay. Now, next question. 1, 4, 20, 1 minus 2, 5, 1, 2x, 5x square, and that's equals to 0. Now, the solution. Okay. First, 1 into, eliminate the elements in the first row, first column. You will get here minus 2, 5, 2x, 5x square. Next is the minus 4. Eliminate the elements in the first row, second column, 1, 5, 1, 2, 5x square. And the last, plus 20. Eliminate the elements in the first row, third column. You will get here 1, minus 2, 1, 2x, and that's equals to 0. Okay. After simplification, 1 minus 2 into 5x square, you will get here minus 10x square. Next, 2x into 5, you will get here minus 10x. By default, minus 10 is here. Minus 4, 1 into 5x square, you will get here 5 square, minus 1 into 5. Okay, plus 20, 1 into 2x, minus 1 into minus 2. That minus minus, that will become plus, and hence here plus 2 is equals to 0. Next, minus 10x square, minus 10x, minus 4 into 5x square, you will get here minus 20x square, minus 4 into minus 5, you will get here plus 20, 20 into 2x, 40x, 20 into 2, 40, and that's equals to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation, that is a minus 10x square minus 20x square. You will get here minus 30x square. Next, minus 10x plus 40x. You will get here plus 30x. Next is a plus 20 plus 40. You will get here 60, and that's equals to 0. Okay. Now divide this whole expression by 30. Then you will get here, and change the sign, minus to plus, or divide this whole expression by minus 30. Then you will get here x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. And the factors are, in first bracket, x minus 2 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 2 is equals to 0, or x plus 1 is equals to 0. And hence x is equals to 2, or x is equals to minus 1. This is the values of x. Okay. Now next question. Find the value of x if x minus 1, 2, 2x 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 5, and that's equals to 29. पुन्हा हा determinant evaluate करणार. Eliminate again element in the first row, first column. You will get this determinant. Again, the same thing is here. Minus in bracket minus 1. Eliminate these element and these. You will get 2x minus 3, 3, 5. And the last, plus 2. Eliminate again the elements in the first row and the third column. 2x, 1, 3 minus 4. And that's equals to 29. Evaluate this. X into 1 into 5 minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. By default minus sign is here. Therefore 5 minus 12. Next this minus and minus, that will become plus. 2x into 5, 10x. 3 into minus 3, that is a minus 9. And by default there is a minus sign. That will become plus 9 here. Plus 2. 2x into minus 4, minus 8x. 3 into 1, minus 3, and that is equals to 29. X into, in bracket 5 minus 12, that is a minus 7. Minus 7 into x, minus 7x. Next, 1 into 10x, you will get here 10x. 1 into 9, you will get here 9. 2 into minus 8x, minus 16x. Plus 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Take this 29 to the left hand side, it will become minus 29. That's equals to 0. Next evaluation, minus 7x plus 10x, you will get here plus 3x. Plus 3x minus 16x, you will get here minus 13x. And the next, plus 9 and minus 6, you will get here plus 3. Plus 3 minus 29, you will get here minus 26, and that's equals to 0. And hence, minus 13x is equals to 26, and therefore x is equals to 26 upon minus 13, you will get here x is equals to minus 2. Okay. Now, next, find x and y if 4i, I cube, 2i, second row, 1, 3i square, 4, 5 minus 3i, and that's equals to x plus iy, where I is equals to in root of minus 1. Now evaluate this. Okay, 4i into, again eliminate this element and again this, you will get here 3i square 4 minus 3i. Next, minus I cube, eliminate these and these, you will get here 1, 4, 5 I. And the last, 2i into, eliminate these and these, you will get here 1, 3i square, 5 minus 3. And that is equals to x plus iy. Now simplification, 4i, 3i square into I, you will get here 3i cube, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, and by default there is a minus sign, and hence that minus and minus, that will become plus 12 here. Next is a minus I cube, 1 into I, minus 5 into 4, 20. This is a 2i. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 5 into 3i square, you will get here minus 15i square. And that is equals to x plus iy. Next, 4i into 3i cube, you will get here 12i raised to 4. 4i into 12, you will get here 48i. Minus I cube into I, you will get here minus I raised to 4. Next, minus I cube into minus 20, that is a plus 20I cube. Plus 2I into minus 3, minus 6I. And the next, 2I into minus 15I square, minus 30I cube, and that is equals to x plus iy. Okay, next I raised to 4 means again 1. I raised to 4 is 1, therefore here is a 12 into 1. Plus 48I, I raised to 4 is 1. I cube is minus I. 20 into minus I, 6i, I cube is again minus I, and that is equals to x plus iy. Okay, now the next, these are the values of I square, I cube, and I raised to 4. Okay, now see this here again, that is a 12 plus 48i minus 1 minus 20i minus 6i plus 30i is equals to x plus iy, and after simplification you will get here 11 plus 52i is equals to x plus iy, and hence x is equals to 11 and y is equals to 52. These are the values of x and y, and in this way we have completed exercise 6.1. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.